Hi Jenna, great question. For this problem, you will be using the distance formula, where d, which represents the distance between 2 points, is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So for these problems, it's really important that you assign one coordinate pair to be x1, y1, and the other one to be x2, y2. Now it doesn't matter which one is which, but the important thing is that you have to be consistent with your usage. So we can't say that -6 is going to be our x1, but 5 is going to be our y2. They're a pair, they stick together. And the other part of this is that you see that it goes x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, meaning that here we can't decide that we're going to put our y1 first and then subtract our y2. You have to stick with the same order. So just for the ease of this problem, we're going to say that -6, 5 is our x1, y1, and that -3, 1 is our x2, y2. So plugging those numbers into this formula here, we get this problem. D is equal to the square root of -3 minus -6 squared plus 1 minus 5 squared. So we remember that when we subtract a negative, it's really like adding a positive. So we get -3 plus 6 squared plus 1 minus 5 squared. So for this problem, you have to be really careful with your order of operations. We can't add these two together yet, and we can't square them yet because we have to do what's inside of the parentheses first. So -3 plus 6 would be a +3. 1 minus 5 would be a -4. So moving through our problem, we get that d is equal to the square root of 3 squared plus -4 squared. Now again, here we're using order of operations. We can't add these two together because we have to do the exponents. So 3 squared is 9, so 3 times 3 is 9, plus -4 squared would be a +16 because it's -4 times -4, which gives us a positive. So we get that d is going to be equal to the square root of 9 plus 16, which would then give us d is equal to the square root of 25. So what number times itself gives us 25? We get d is equal to 5. I hope this helps, and feel free to reach out if you have any other questions.